Hi guys, what is up? Spads here. Welcome back to the channel. This is another entry to our travel vlog right here, and I'm in a beautiful place right now. Let me show you where we at and what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we're at a hidden paradise here in Calibo. This is Hinugtan Beach. It's actually near Boracay. It's just over there. As you can see, we have white sand beach, clear waters. So it's been 2 months since the lockdown. The borders just got opened. Since then, may plano na kaming mag-beach once the border is open and the resorts open up. This video is about our travel to this area right here. If you're into that, travel vlogs, and you want to know how to get to this place, this beautiful place right here, stick around and we will show you this beautiful place. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so from Iloilo, it's a 6-hour travel, going via Capiz Road, going to Calibo. From Calibo, we're gonna go to the mountains, Ibahay, and then to the port of Caticlan. Then after that, a little bit more from the port, going to Buruanga. The entrance of this place is actually over the hillside, you can see right there. You have to go over that in order for you to access this beach, and let me show you that part of our travel. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, what's up? Dito kami sa Petron. Haga kami muna ng gasolina before going to the trip, and then we're gonna check the tires as well para safety tayo at ready na for the long trip. I think it's around 10 right now. And I mean the travel time is around 6 hours, 5 hours if walang masyadong traffic. Okay, we are here at the parking area. This is not yet the resort. We'll have to go down right there for about 20 minutes walk into the beach. Okay, so let's go. When we arrive here, hindi namin mapigilan na maligo agad kasi guys, you can see the water is very clear, very blue, tealish blue, and we have the white sand. So naligo kami kaagad. And let me show you what the water looks like from our perspective. Okay, so after kami maligo, pahinga-hinga muna, and then we decided to do some drone shots. Let me give you some cinematic drone shots so that you'll see what the beach looks like. Perfect! Okay, so after some drone shots, we relaxed and then we waited for the sunset. So this is Hinugtan Beach during the sunset hour. Okay, so after the sunset, natulog na kami. And then this brought us to this moment right here. Me standing in front of the beach and then thinking na uuwi na kami. This is it. I hope we can extend more, like a day or two, just to enjoy this place more. Pero sinabihan kami na hanggang Sunday lang. Today is Sunday because on Monday and moving forward, they said that they will close down this area because the tourism advised to close it down. Sayang lang kasi napakaganda ng place, napaka-relaxing. It takes you out of that feeling in the city. Yung feeling na andito ka sa beach, nagre-relax. Yan yung after natin dito. So, my thoughts on our first beach adventure after the lockdown. It actually is a relief after 2 months of just inside the house, working at home, not being able to travel and go to places like this. So, yan yung first thoughts ko. I hope that everything will be okay moving forward so that I can create more content for you guys. So, if you like this video right here, please hit the like button, share it to your friends. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon. And I promise you, there will be a lot more travel videos like this moving forward. And for the guys that are already sub to the channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Don't worry to the guys na nag-a-ask kung when yung mga ride videos ko. Don't worry guys, it's coming. We are still adjusting to the new rules from the borders. If we're gonna go travel, a lot of shifting in the rules on the borders, so that's a big hassle. But don't worry, I will still provide you with more videos, okay? So dito na lang tayo. I will leave you with this very beautiful scenery right here, okay? So this is it for now, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.